July 6, the Malawi nation celebrates independence. And July 4, the United States of America celebrates independence. Everybody loves freedom, and freedom comes from God. And we ought to thank Him for this gift. And we ought to pray for our countries. The Malawi Michiana Church has organized a celebration and prayer for our country, Malawi, and the United States where we live in. It's a double celebration. Two countries that we are attached to, July 4 and July 6, independence. We are inviting you all to come and thank the Lord and pray for our countries, and pray for prosperity, and pray for peace, and we pray for coexistence with each other.
The 4th of July is an important day in the United States because it signifies the Declaration of Independence from the rule under Great Britain. The Declaration was made to provide life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness for all people equally. Usually on this day every year, you can find people barbecuing and also going to the beach, and it all ends with a celebration of fireworks at the end of the day. But here at Niles Malawi Church, we are going to take this opportunity to pray for this country so that we can all have a good life and also worship God at the same time.
It is very important for us to celebrate the independences that we have in Malawi and the USA. We would like to thank God for the many blessings that He has bestowed upon us, that we are able to worship in peace. So come all and worship. This service will be hosted by the Michiana Malawi Church. Food will be offered, there will be music and also worship.
We invite you all to this important occasion. The date is 6 July. Don't forget the date, 6 July, Independence and Prayers at Malawi Michiana Church.
So we are welcoming you all. It's on 1819 Oak Street in Niles, Michigan. All the friends of Malawi and Malawians, you are all welcome.
Join us from 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Thereafter, lunch will be served. On this day, several pastors will offer a word of prayer. A guest speaker, Pastor Wyson Elia, a man who has experience in addressing different issues in Malawi and here in the United States.
Pray when you're strong, just pray and pray, 'cause anytime is prayer time. The offices in heaven, they're opened up for you. Every second, every minute, and every hour. In case of an emergency, just dial the toll-free number and connect with the Father above. Pray, pray, my mother. Pray anytime. Just pray. Pray when you sick and pray. Pray when you pray when you're weak. Pray when you pray when you're strong. Pray when you're strong. Just pray and pray, 'cause anytime is prayer time. When you see that all your things are going well, you've got your wife and you give a nice family, talk to God and thank Him in prayer. When you feel that your bones are still in place, you still can walk to and fro, talk to God and thank Him in prayer.